Okay, today I am doing an honest review of this Aula F108 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard with a screen and knob built in. The knob is for like the volume or anything you want to control it with, and then the screen, it shows the date, the time, basically everything you need to know about the keyboard. What's cool about this, it is wireless and wired at the same time. So right here is the USB-C to regular USB. So I'll just plug it in right here in my laptop, and then over here, and it's powered on, and it has like a really nice lit, like backlit keyboard. And then just to show you guys real quick, it also has a wireless option where you can just plug in this little USB into the computer. It also has an 8,000 milliamp battery, so when it's fully charged, and it says how much it's charged right here, it lasts absolutely forever. The keys are all swappable and custom. It has this really nice like light pink to like hot pink design, and then listen to the keys. But this thing sounds unbelievable, and it looks so clean, in my opinion. I'll show you guys what the back looks like as well. That's the USB-C, and then that is the extra wireless. It also has, on the bottom, it has two flaps that pop out, so if you want the keyboard raised. Honestly, this is one of the nicest keyboards I've used in a while. If you have any questions, just drop them below.